children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 2nd. Okay. So children, in the previous lecture we have started our lesson number 15. क्या पढ़ा था हमने? We have learned about more about the action words, right? So action words कैसे कोई action होती है? When an action takes place, we have learned about the adverbs and everything, right? Okay. So like that. जो हमने पहले क्या पढ़ा था एडवर्ब्स द बॉय इज वॉकिंग स्लोली ओके सो बॉय वॉक कर रहा है बट कैसे वॉक कर रहा है ही इज वॉकिंग स्लोली राइट सो स्लोली हमारा क्या हुआ दैट इज आवर एडवर्ब राइट सो वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट द एडवर्ब्स लाइक दैट ओनली हाउ वी हैव लर्नड ऑन द पेज 68 ओके उसी तरह से हमको पेज 69 में पढ़ना है ओके सो हियर इज गिवन अ वन स्टोरी राइट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी लर्न द स्टोरी देन इन दैट स्टोरी we have to underline adverbs in the story right so जो story दी हुई है उसमें जो adverbs है उसको find करके हमको उसको underline करना है right okay so let's start with that see what is the first line Mr. Das got up suddenly at the sound of the doorbell right so Mr. Das जो है वो suddenly get up means उठे but कौन सी आवाज पे at the sound of the doorbell right so यहाँ पे देखो what is the first in the first line it is given like this sudden right इसके पीछे ly दिया हुआ है if ly would not be there अगर ly नहीं होता तो ये adverb नहीं होता ये सिर्फ simple word होता sudden right but it is given like this suddenly suddenly right so in the first line you will underline this clear so you will underline the suddenly here देखो जैसे यहाँ पे underline करोगे and in the given space here 1 2 3 4 नंबर दिया हुआ है तुमको so you will put in the first number you will write suddenly clear like this you will do understood now see what is the second line he got up from the bed hurriedly okay so he got up from the bed right but how he got up hurriedly means when you do work fast जब तुम लोग जल्दी जल्दी हरी में वर्क करते हो राइट yes so that is known as hurriedly right so again here it is given like this hurried right if we put with this so this is a simple word but it is given ly right यहाँ पे ly दिया हुआ है again so this is an adverb right so we have to find out the adverbs and write it in the space so in the third line you will underline hurriedly right hurriedly hurriedly okay you will underline and write in the given space यहाँ पे second line में तुम लोग इसको underline करोगे hurriedly and then you will write in the blank clear now see what is the third number he wore his clothes quickly right he wore the clothes but how he wore clothes very quickly right so again quickly is a adverbs ठीक है तो तुम लोग second line में वापस you will underline right देखो QUICKLY quickly yes so you will underline this one and you will write in the which one in third number here space is given no yes so you write quickly understood yes now see what is the next line and went to answer the door it was his neighbor Mr. Sen I am quite fed up Mr. Das okay so he said loudly who said loudly Mr. Das said loudly ठीक है तो loudly again हमारा क्या हुआ that is again our adverb it is given right so first paragraph जहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है in the last line you will underline loudly so LOUDLY loudly you will underline and write in the given space यहाँ पे लिखोगे 4 नंबर में okay understood now see second paragraph first line what happened asked Mr. Das anxiously again क्या आया anxiously right it is again given ly in the last so what will write in the fifth number again see ANXIOUS annexiously. Okay. So you have add again here ly. Yes. So what we'll write? We'll underline annexiously, and you will write in the fifth number. Okay. Clear? Now see next second line. Your dog has littered my garden again. Mr. Sen replied. Mr. Das said he was sorry. He explained politely. Now again it is 6 number में क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे? See, this is the polite it is given, and it is given like this ly. So this is an adverb, right? We add ly in the adverb, so this is a politely. So again you will underline this and write in the 6th number. Clear? Now see what is the 7th number. Next it is given. That dog must have let himself out quietly. So what is the next adverb given in the story? Quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Okay. So quietly. Clear? Understood? Now see what is the 8th number. It is given. Slowly Mr. Sen climbed down and left. Now what is the next one? Next adverb it is given. Slowly, right? S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slowly is given, right? So you will underline the slowly, and in the 8th number you will write this one. Clear? Now see what is the next line. To his garden and shut the gate carefully. So he shut the gate, but how he shut? He shut very carefully, right? So again this adverb is given. Yes or no? Yes. So what will write? C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Yes. So you will underline this and you will write carefully. Clear? Now see what is the last number it is given. So that the dog would not be able to enter again. The morning has passed quite eventfully. Okay. So in the last line what is given? Eventfully, right? So E-V-E-N-T-F-U-L-L-Y, like this. So you will underline in the last line and you will write in the 10th number. Okay. So children, here we have completed up till page 69. Okay. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.